Leaves all over. Look at them collecting the leaves. This is how they collect the leaves. Look at that. All the leaves gone. So they clear the roads like this. So see. The leaves are there and they look at that. So if you leave the leaves on the road, it is cleared. So this is a boulevard and look at that. Look at the amount of leaves which are on the side of the road. It sucks in all the leaves, vacuuming all the leaves outside on the road. Wow, look at that, amazing. A salute to man's technology, I say. Look at that. Of these. See, that's how it sucks in. Can you see that? That's a suction. Now it's going to another lane, I'm sure. This is what it is. Away, clearing the leaves on the road on the side so that the drain is clear of leaves. See, the drain is clear of leaves. That's what they do. And there are several drains right up here on the side of the road. Now it will come to this side of the lane. Look at that. See, that side is cleared and it's going to now return and come here and clear all these leaves. And look at this drain, it's all covered with leaves, and there's several such openings out here for the drainage system, which they'll clear. And when the leaves are too many, then what the driver does is it gets off and rakes the leaves, and so that they all come under the suction. They can be sucked in. Look at the driver doing it. Just one man person. So there he is, raking up the leaves, getting inside to drive. He's checking for that. How many leaves have been collected? There. Gets in, the driver gets in, and he's off. He's collected those leaves there. Reversing. See the amount of leaves that he's collected there. He's raked those leaves manually. And look at that. See, there's a brush and there's a suction which goes on. See, all the leaves are being sucked. And that's why a lot of water here. And here's the drain cover that it has cleaned. Look at that. Sunny day, sunny, bright, wintry morning today.